Good evening, everyone. I'm Kathy Hochul, Lieutenant Governor of New York, and I am so pleased to be part of tonight's program recognizing the amazing accomplishments of so many outstanding youth advocates. New York has been in the forefront of tobacco control for decades, and as the dangers of flavored e-cigarette products became more apparent, we took aggressive steps to stop Big Tobacco's attempt to get a whole new generation of kids hooked on their nicotine products. That's why we were one of the first states to tackle head-on the youth e-cigarette epidemic. We led the way in ending the sale of all flavored e-cigarettes in response to this growing public health crisis. And we're not done yet. Congratulations to all of tonight's honorees and to the Campaign for Tobacco-Free Kids for another year of great work. Now, I'm particularly excited to announce New York's own Abe Baker-Butler as a 2020 Youth Advocate of the Year honoree. Abe has taken his advocacy to every level of government. He's met with legislators, testified at hearings, and led impressive letter-writing campaigns. And he was a real player in our successful Empire State effort to get rid of flavored e-cigarettes, providing a critical youth voice to the debate. It's because of young people like Abe that will prevent the next generation from getting hooked on deadly products. The work of Abe and Tobacco-Free Kids has helped us potentially save millions of lives going forward. On behalf of Governor Cuomo, myself, and the entire state of New York, we thank you.
Hi, I'm Abe Baker-Butler. I'm from Rybrook, New York, and I am so excited to be celebrating with you tonight, and I am so honored to be a Campaign for Tobacco-Free Kids Youth Advocate of the Year. When I started high school and I saw my friends and classmates starting to vape, I saw my friends falling behind in their classes, falling behind their social lives, I knew that I had to do something. I saw that this was Big Tobacco 2.0, and that I had a unique role as a young person who was seeing this firsthand and a responsibility to use my voice to create change and protect the public health of my generation. Students Against Nicotine is a student-led nonprofit devoted to ending the e-cigarette epidemic through legislative advocacy and education of students, parents, and prevention educators. So the legislative advocacy has really been one of the most rewarding and educational and empowering parts of my e-cigarette and tobacco prevention journey. I started out local with a group of friends from around my county advocating for Tobacco 21 legislation. We started petitions, we started recruiting people from other counties, and all of a sudden, we were invited to testify before the New York State Senate, a joint committee hearing. And that was an extremely powerful experience. I spoke after the Vape Lobbying Association. I rebutted all of their false and misleading claims, and it was really amazing to be able to have the space and the venue and the opportunity to speak to what I was seeing in my community, among my friends and peers, and to have legislators, people with the power to actually do something, listening to me. But I'd say the accomplishment that I'm most proud of is getting the No Vape New York package passed in New York State this April. That package included a flavor ban at the state level, as well as other important policies like a ban on the selling of e-cigarettes in pharmacies. And that felt like such a major accomplishment to me because it was the result of months and months of legislative advocacy with state legislators, with Governor Cuomo, and with a coalition of organizations, including the Campaign for Tobacco-Free Kids.
Congratulations, Abe. As Sarah mentioned earlier, this year's theme is Strong Voices, Strong Lives. And each of our honorees tonight are showing us exactly how their strong voices make our lives stronger. So Abe, what are you going to do with your strong voice next?
Advocating and educating with peers, parents, and teachers.